It almost sounds too good to be true, but you could soon be paying hundreds of thousands of dollars less per year on your power bills. The Australian Energy Regulator has released its default market offering this morning.
So the offer sets the benchmark for how much power companies should charge customers and comes into effect on July 1. The Victorian Energy Regulator has moved first, confirming the state's households can expect to pay less than last year. That's good news. For more, we're joined by Sally Tyndall, Canstar's Data Insights Director. Good morning to you. So the numbers are out. How much will we save?
Yeah, interesting. So the draft prices were released in March. Yep, and we've just this hour got the final prices.
Oh, wow.
So they were slating cuts or drops in March. The drops aren't as big as we thought they were going to be, unfortunately, but still, it's still broadly good news. See that sea of green? Not bad. So Ausgrid, you're going to see a drop of 3.4, Endeavour 3.4, Essential 5, Energex, which is in southeast Queensland, 7.2. Not great news for South Australia, going up by 1.4%.
Is this per what, month or year?
Well, it's percentage at that point, but the dollar savings that you have on the right-hand side, that's per year. Really good
question. So $66 a year.
I know that's not going to touch the sides.
You're not going to buy a house with that, but we can't sneeze at it, I guess.
We're not sneezing at it, but, you've got to remember, households are reeling from their electricity bills because of the end of the rebates. We were getting $300 a year knocked off our electricity bills. So, you know, the biggest savings in that list was about $155. That's basically half of the rebate. So we're still struggling. Yeah. What we've seen in terms of search terms for electricity bills in the first 3 months of this year is that people are looking for solutions because they've just got bill shock.
Yeah, so tell us why the prices are coming down.
Yeah, OK, really interesting. So we're seeing lower wholesale costs. That's the cost of generating electricity. We thought there might be some volatility because of the war in the Middle East, but that hasn't materialised. That's fantastic news. So it's cheaper now to generate electricity. It's also that we're paying less for renewable energy schemes. They've become more efficient as well, so that's good. That's a little bit of a cost saving. What we are seeing a rise in is network costs, mainly because of the smart meter rollout.
Right. What about finding a price lower than default? Can you find that somewhere?
Absolutely. So this is the key with these benchmark prices. They are benchmark prices. They're the default. They're the safety net for people that can't switch or don't switch. And so, you know, there's 7% of people, customers in New South Wales on the default, 17 in Victoria. You can see the rest. Most of us are on more affordable electricity plans. Right. It's really important to be shopping around. If you're with one of the big 3 energy providers, that's Energy Australia, Origin, AGL, you're more likely to be on that default price. If you are, go and check your bills, see if you can get a better deal.
Can I just ask, are they coming down? Is one of the reasons they're coming down because there's more renewables in the market?
It's absolutely having an impact, absolutely.
OK.
But, you know, there's a huge range. Electricity prices are actually hugely complicated.
Right.
There's a huge range of things. You know, there's retail margins and all the rest of it. But, yes, renewables is starting to make a difference.
OK. Thank you, Sally.
Thank you. That's some good news. Thanks for coming in.